In this skybow video, we've teamed up with our friends at Rencore to cover migrating InfoPath forms. Let's begin inside a SharePoint 2013 site where we happen to have a list where we're tracking different kinds of wines in our inventory. And there's an InfoPath form that we're using here in order to work with all the content. It works just fine. And here's where we want things to wind up. This new list is created in an Office 365 site. And we've migrated the schema, we've migrated the contents, we have not migrated the form. You're looking at the normal SharePoint default list user interface. It's here we want a new skybow form. The key to all of this is Rencore's SPTransformator tool. We've been working with them for quite some time, and what you start by doing is taking an inventory of your entire SharePoint environment. And yes, this will have inventory information on farm content, but it'll have a whole lot more. You save it off as a file. Now we'll go into the main SPTransformator app and import that inventory file we just created. We're going to take a look at everything within the site. When I say everything, we're talking about all the customizations or extensions that were done. SPTransformator will analyze everything you've got and produce a nice report in the form of an interactive dashboard. And it'll contain everything, including forms. What we care about is transformation, of course. So we're going to go look for a particular location, a particular customization, i.e. a particular InfoPath form. Make sure it's the right one, inspect it, and be sure. And then we're going to go ahead and export that as a skybow rich form template file. It's just a standard file in the file system. We'll make use of it in skybow's editor in just a second. Now let's return to that SharePoint online site in Office 365 with the list that doesn't have a form for it yet. We're going to edit the form for that list in the skybow rich forms editor, but instead of taking the default form that we auto-generate, we're importing the file we just saved. And we're going to do this 3 times for the view form, the new item form, and the edit form. Each one of these, you're going to notice, looks exactly like, behavior-wise, layout-wise, the InfoPath form that we've migrated. That's it. Now we go ahead and there it is. This is a skybow rich form that behaves exactly like that InfoPath form. Pretty much exactly what you would expect. And that's really all there is to it. To learn more, go to infopath-replacement.com or either of our company's websites.